for a very long time dun nga sa Global Port. He was doing a lot of things. Pero hindi nagtatranslate into consistent victories. Pero tingnan mo si LA. Grabe naman yung dukot na yun.
Tinitigan pa niya si Howell na humahabol sa kanya, sabay pinanata ng pambansang reverse. Ginebra looking to execute in the half court. Tenorio saw an opening! Ang pambansang reverse!
Tenorio has been wreaking havoc all throughout this ballgame. 12 points already in the first quarter.
Ulit tayo dito, sabi nila. Panalo na tayo dito, pero importante dito kung pwede tayong lumamang ng over 10.
Tenorio! Pinaboy si Mitchell!
What's your name? Sabi ng gano'n, eh, no? Ang galing niya sa gano'n, actually. Really makes Wowo Busi very happy. LA, atras, abante, para sa butas, LA.
Basically every team that he's been, #1 point guard.
But Rashad Woods continues to score. He's got 14 in the game. Lead is down to 12.
Just too easy. They're getting too many easy baskets.
Okay, pinag-uusapan ako ng dalawa. Sige, pakitaan ko rin ng isa pa. Parang gano'n eh. Narinig ka yata.
Dr. Joy's calculator and he said it's
Dalawa na
working.
si
7.
Junior.
Oh, look at that!
8 na ito si LA Tenorio.
You can do is try to leak out before you get the rebound. That's what happened to Bishop.
Tenorio with a pambansang reverse!
That's why you always wonder. Remember, they called Scotty Thompson. Pag ilan yan? Dalawa.
LA Tenorio becomes the third Barangay Ginebra player in double digits. He's got 11. Si Stan nga, meron ng G's. At nakita niyo naman si Brownlee.